And now, like, I don't feel any hesitation before interacting with any stranger, but I was not as I am now. I was not earlier. Yeah, only this is the way you can improve, right?
Which type of challenge you face in your initially and now also which type of challenge you face in your English learning journey?
Inform all the learners when they start their speaking journey, they are perplexed because massive change are real friends. Nobody is our real friends, this is the bad quality, I think, human beings have.
Came in our life and our life is totally changed, but if
Mm.
we don't want to change our life, so no one can change our talk about any topic.
Is my plus point, that is success.
Yes.
So that is
Yes.
really incredible inside you, and I can say that one day you will overcome from your these all problems or obstacles inside you, Lalita. And I can see that you have a spark to it also makes people more confident and give positivity to others also, like.
Very good afternoon. Yes.
Good afternoon too, how are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. What's about you?
I'm also doing great, thank you for asking. And I'm very happy to connect with you because I think we have been trying to connect for 5 days maybe, and today finally we are meeting here.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Today I'm over the moon. Yes. Yes.
Great. Okay.
So
So I
we are
think before starting the conversation, we should about myself. I'm Manchana, and I'm talking to you from Uttar Pradesh, District Farrukhabad. If I talk about my qualification, I completed my master's in English literature from Kanpur University. Apart from that, I'm as a profession, I'm a teacher, and I provide online and both line sessions. And I want to enhance my communication skill. That's why I run my YouTube channel, because I was totally introvert type of person earlier. And since when I have started my YouTube journey, have found a lot of changement in myself. And now, like, I don't feel any hesitation before interacting with any stranger, but I was not as I am now. I was not earlier. Yeah, that's brief introduction from my side.
okay, okay, amazing, ma'am. Yes, I watch your some shorts also and yeah, videos also. That time I only start. You also for me inspiration. Yes, you and yeah, Dehati ma'am and yeah, you
Okay.
record your yes shorts in your I think your kitchen. So spices
Yes.
name yeah yes.
Mm.
But
Thanks for watching. Yeah.
yes, but that time I'm not able to express myself and I have lots of fear. But yes, now I can say a little bit, yeah, I'm able to. Yes,
It happens, because it's not our native language. That is why we have to face a lot of challenges while speaking in English, and we are not surrounded with English environment. This is the main problem too, right? And as you told me, like, you have started your speaking journey, so that's really good initiative, because this is how, only this is the way you can improve, right? Otherwise, if you are listening daily, reading, or writing English, so you can't speak English properly until or unless you start your speaking journey, because speaking comes by speaking. There is no other sort way. Many people have this kind of mindset. They say that, no ma'am, I am a good listener, I can understand everything, I can write everything, but why I get stuck while speaking? So I always say that no matter if you start your journey with broken sentences or you have hesitation, because it is natural, right? When you start any work, so initially we have to put a lot of efforts. So even though if you make mistake initially, it's okay, right? So we should try to find out our mistakes, and this is how we go on. So everybody can master this language.
yes, yes, ma'am. And yes,
Okay, so
okay.
you can ask.
So, which type of challenge you face in your initially and yeah, now also, which type of challenge you face in your English learning journey?
Great, yeah, everybody faces. I always support and inform all the learners when they start their speaking journey. They are perplexed because they don't know what is the right way to start our speaking journey. It happened with me also because there was not any mentor or guidance I got. I started my speaking journey by myself. I used to practice with me in front of the mirror, and sometimes I used to record my video. Even if I didn't record video, I used to talk to me while working household chores because I didn't have partner. That is why I used to tell a lot of stories to my daughter. So you know what happened, that time I was aware about the grammar part. I knew how to frame the sentences. So there I didn't found any challenge because I have been teaching for a long time. So if I talk about academic, I know everything about grammar part of English, but speaking was not my cup of tea. I was really puzzled and perplexed, like how to start and for how to speak. When I used to speak, I used to make lot of grammatical mistakes. So that time I got to know that okay, no matter how much English I know, this is not my cup of tea. I would have do a lot of practice. After that I can master it. Yeah, so I can say that I have learned through my experience, my English journey, that you can't learn English until or unless you start your speaking journey. If you have courage, start with your broken sentences, and after that you can get a bit confidence. Yeah, so I my challenge was that I used to make a lot of mistakes initially. Still I make, but now I am confident. Yeah. And what about you? Like, when did you start your speaking journey, and what type of challenges do you face?
Yeah, man. I also like conversation for 5 months. Yes. And yes, and yeah, I can say my journey started 8, 9, yes, around 1 year. Yes, and
Okay.
my YouTube channel also 8, 9 months. But there I upload only my short. My daughter singing a poem. I also help her. There upload only short. But after that, I little bit yes, some make my solo video also. And I have lots of fear, so I want to overcome this. So I approach some people like you. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. To get
So
more confidence.
yes, that's my journey. And through this journey,
It is a good
I
way.
also learned so
Huh.
many things.
Great. It
Yes.
is a good way to talk with your daughter, to help her. This is how you can learn. So, how old your daughter is?
Yeah, she's around 4 years old.
Great. You know, we should never think like my kid is a little, so how can I talk to her in English? Because no matter if she is understanding me or not, even your English is improving. So that is a
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
point. So I think you should you should take this point as a positive way, that okay, no matter my daughter is understanding me or not, but even if you are speaking, so definitely you will improve, right? So I always guide to all the homemakers whenever they say to me that I don't have any practice partner. I always say that no, don't worry. If you have kids, start speaking English with them. You can tell them stories because children are fond of listening stories. So
Yes,
whenever
ma'am.
you prepare any story, and with emotions we can share any story with our children, so they can also learn a lot of sentences and vocabulary, right? Because now we don't want to go outside, and we don't want to do job in a company, but for our kids it is mandatory and it is priority that they should have knowledge about English. As we can see the difference between our school time and now, so we can see a huge difference now. English has vital role in each and every field,
Yes,
right?
yes.
It is crucial. We can't avoid it. But if I talk about earlier, when I was in college, that time people were not so much crazy to learn this language. So, and in the coming generation, if I talk about our kids, it would be more important
Yes,
and
ma'am.
100% important, I think, right?
Yes. And
Hmm.
now, yes, I also cultivate, yes, small storage with, yes, with pictures. So that I told my daughter also, she also enjoy. Yes. And small, I can say the sentence also. How are
Great.
you? That time. Yes.
Hmm.
So she
Yeah,
also pick up.
good.
Yeah. And
Hmm.
yeah, good. Yes, I can say the communication. That small word she also learned. Yes, my journey. Yes,
Great. Mm-hmm. Okay,
yes,
Lalita. So as you told me in your introduction that you love to listen audiobook. So
yes.
which books are favorite and how many books have you listened so far?
Uh, yes, ma'am. I listen a lot books. Yes, and every day I listen. Yes, and yes, many books. Uh, Power of Positive Thinking and The Secret and
Okay.
the Self-Love Life Depend on It, The Alchemist and a biography also,
Mhm.
the unfinished Priyanka
Great.
Chopra biography and the
Hmm.
Swami Vivekanand. So that's
Okay.
also and yes, many more. Yes.
Okay. Great. Okay, Lalita. So what do you think? What are the benefits and advantages you get while listening this kind of audiobooks?
Yes, ma'am. Earlier I listened in Hindi language, but now I change into English language. And yes, through listening, I'm work on my yes mindset also. And now,
Okay.
yes, that's helped me in yes my English learning journey. And
Hmm.
otherwise, I'm very timid and shy person. But now I can say I'm
Mhm.
yes, that's why possible for me.
Okay.
Yes,
Got it.
and
I think you want to say that earlier you was a total shy person and introvert girl,
yes,
and now after listening a lot of audiobooks, not only you have improved your knowledge, but also you have got a lot of courage to interact with
yes.
strangers, and you have improved yourself as professionally, emotionally,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
yeah,
And
it's
make
good, you know.
yes, make new habit also. Yes, now I can say
Mhm.
I'm early riser person and doing yoga, meditation. So that's also yes,
Yes, definitely. I always believe, books are our real friends, right?
yes,
If you wanna uh, get improvement in your life, so I think books can help you a lot because it changes totally, not only our mindset, but our habits also.
yes,
Because
yes.
that time we get to know
More
that
thing.
what are the right ways we should follow in our life and what should we not do, right?
Yes,
Because if I talk about our surrounding, so people are busy only if you interact with your neighbors, so they will always ask about what did you cook, what do you eat, where would you like to go. So these type of common things they only ask. We are not getting knowledge and we don't interact knowledge, we don't provide knowledge. But if I talk about books, so books have been written by a lot of great thinker, scholar, so they were really well taught and they had a lot of knowledge. After that they have created those books. So if directly they are not with us, those scholars who have written these books, they are not with us, but their learnings, their teachings with us. So this is how we can learn. And I think like whatever you will learn from your experience after 10 years 5 years, you can learn through books in 1 month only. So why we should learn from our
yes,
experience? If
yes,
you have good books, so you can learn those all things from their experience and we can follow. And if we follow those all rules in our particular life, so definitely we can see immense changement or massive changement in our life. And books are our real friends. Nobody is our real friends, you know. Books
Yes,
change
ma'am.
our life.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a
How
really good
to,
habit. I
yes, and book
Yes.
how to live a good life, and yes, that also, and yeah, gratitude, small, small. Yeah, that's also we learn. I'm not aware of
Mm.
earlier, but after books, yes, I'm
Mm-hmm.
yes now.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And just to, I want to know, Lalita, that you started your journey before 1 year, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
just now, like now you are talking to me or daily, maybe I think you interact with many co-learner. So what type of challenges do you face? Sorry, what type of challenges do you face? Like while speaking, what do you think like you need more improvement in which area?
Yes, ma'am. I have jotted down some question also, so that's also
Okay.
I I
Yeah,
have
you can
yes.
ask anything. Feel free to ask anything.
Yes, yes. I face yes many challenges. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know yes, expressing myself that time also I'm facing the
Mm-hmm.
issue, and sometime if person is yes very good, I can say, at English and in
Mm-hmm.
communication and all, so
Mm-hmm.
that time that also that yes
Okay, so
challenge
that
also.
time you become stuck, right? You know, if you interact with any good speaker, so that time
Yes,
you
yes,
feel embarrassed, or just I think you feel nervous, like, oh, that person is speaking better than me, and now how to articulate my thoughts. So, do you feel like
yes,
this?
yes, yes, ma'am.
So it's a bad habit. You shouldn't think like this. You know, change your mindset. Yeah, if that person is speaking good, so maybe he or she has been practicing for a long time, many years, right? And you have started your journey just now, and we should never compare ourselves to anyone. This is the bad quality I think, you know, human beings have. We always compare ourselves to other. This is a bad habit, and this habit makes us underconfident. That is why we are not able to express our thoughts.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know,
I know.
yeah.
I revise myself again and again. Yes, and positive self-talk also. That's also I do. But
Hmm.
sometime, yes, it's happen.
Yeah, it is natural. So how can you overcome from this? I know. You know what should you do whenever you interact with anyone? So already you should have a mindset like I have these type of questions. I'm going to ask these questions. I would speak this. So already have any everything in your mind. So that time you will not feel nervous. Before joining anyone, you should have already, you know, theme in your mind that I will speak this, I will say this. And before that I think you should do practice, because initially we need a lot of practice, right? If I talk about the little children, students, whenever they have to perform in the school, so can you believe that without practicing they can perform well? No,
Hmm.
right? So the practice is really important. Whenever you are going to join with any candidate, you should practice. Like I would ask this question, you can practice those all questions. You can elaborate your thoughts. Okay, I would share this or that, like this. So you will feel more confident while speaking or expressing your thoughts. It would be good for you, really.
But actually, ma'am, some people are into actually in grammar. Yes, that is mistake. That is mistake. So we know that person is yes. So that time it's happened with me. Yeah.
Okay, so just here I want to know that how is your grammar? Do you have knowledge of all kind of tenses or not?
Yes, ma'am. I have the yes, but I'm
Okay.
not. I can say yes. I the daily routine that time I simple
Okay.
present we use, and in the past in story time, and we express our yesterday. So that time we use past
Yes,
tense.
past
Yeah, and
form.
yes, our future. So that time we use future tense. Yes, I have little
Hmm.
bit knowledge, but not much. but
Mm-hmm.
I'm speak, so that time I'm, yes, mistake also.
Okay, no, it happens, there are not a big deal to learn grammar because grammar, if you want to learn grammar for speaking English, so you should have enough knowledge of basic
Yes,
English
yes,
only. So if I talk about like the tenses, you should have knowledge of all type of tenses. So in which I can talk about like 12 tenses.
yes,
For
yes,
all the part of three tenses you should have knowledge. After that,
yes,
imperative
ma'am.
sentences
Yes,
and conditional sentences. So if you have enough knowledge of all these sentences, you will never stuck. And you can practice daily because there are several videos on YouTube you can find out, and you can practice a lot of sentences. Then definitely you will feel more confident, because sometimes your grammar becomes hurdle for us.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you have any other question, you can
Yes.
ask.
Earlier, I also thought someone came in our life and our life is totally changed. But if
Mm.
we don't want to change our life, so no one can change our life. Yes,
Mm.
it's happened.
Great, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course.
That's also, and yeah, one more I can say how to talk about any topic. That's also.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay, you want to know that how to discuss on any topic.
yes,
Great, it is good question. And I think whenever we have any topic, we should have enough knowledge about that topic, right? If we start talking about any random topic, and you and I don't have enough knowledge about that topic, so how can we discuss, right? So
yes,
if
yes,
you don't have deep knowledge about any topic, but you should have enough knowledge, so that's how it would be good for learners to practice about that topic. And topic is a good way to discuss, because this is how we get a lot of ideas. We can share, we can give our perspective, what should how, any type of topic if you have, so we can discuss the negative and positive point of that thing. And this is good for to improve English.
yes, ma'am. I also feel I force myself into topic. Yes. If I have no knowledge, so that time I practice on audio call also. So that time I practice
Mm.
that topic and after in yes conversation that time also. So
Mm-hmm.
yes, that's I do.
Yeah, great, great, wonderful. Okay, so what is your channel name, and how many subscribers do you have?
Yeah, channel name English with Lalita Kumari and
Okay.
subscribe I think 180 I think. Yeah. But
Mm-hmm.
my
Good.
major focus on my improvement, ma'am. Yes.
Not channel, yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
I also started my channel to get a lot of learners, because this was the only way I could get a lot of co-learner. This is how I
Yes.
could practice, and this
Yeah.
was my motive. Otherwise, if I talk about success on YouTube, so I have seen a lot of great people or great YouTubers. They have good knowledge about English. They are not improving. So who am I?
Yes. Yes. And
Right.
yes.
So,
And
but I am improving. So that is my plus point. That is success.
yes. Yes, ma'am. And yeah,
There is
stuck.
no need to be nervous. Yeah, there is no need to be nervous. And I think you should, practice daily English. So it will remove your nervousness. And here, Lalita, really, I'm proud of you. And I would like to, motivate you that you are the confident girl. As much as I am talking to you, I can see that you are using broken sentences. Still, you are confident, and you have that much courage to face the camera. Because if I talk about many learners, they have enough knowledge about English, but they are not ready to interact the camera, to interact with any new person. So that is
Yes.
really incredible inside you, and I can say that one day you will overcome from your these all problems. problems or obstacles. Only you need to be consistent,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And here I would like to tell here I would like to tell each and every learners who want to learn English, but because of their hesitation
Here.
or underconfident, yeah, they are not ready to face the camera. So they
Yes.
can learn from Lalita. Like Lalita is speaking a bit broken sentences, but still she has courage. So that is a wonderful thing inside you, Lalita. And I can see that you have a spark to learn English. So one day definitely you will be a fluent speaker. Only stay consistent. Otherwise,
Thank you.
if you break your consistency, definitely you can forget everything. Yeah, so this is the
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
point inside you. And never compare yourself from others, because this is my journey. We should compare ourselves from our journey. How was I yesterday and how am I today?
Yes, ma'am.
This
I
matters a
also
lot.
do, but
It doesn't,
sometime
yeah.
it's happened. Yeah. Yes. I
That is a
remind
natural
myself.
thing.
Yes.
Hmm. Great, great, great. Because this is our life, right? So I
Yes.
think we shouldn't focus on others, how they are like they are giving me value or not, what they are speaking about me or not. So I think we shouldn't focus on others, we should ignore others, we should focus on our journey.
Awesome.
What am
Yeah.
I doing, what I need, and how can I improve? That is
Yes.
only a way to learn this language, to be a confident speaker. Otherwise, if you have indulged with others thinking, what others are thinking, what other will think, we can never improve.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. Give me
Okay.
your precious time. Yeah.
Okay. And thank you too for joining. You are such a very lovely person, as I am talking to you, since when you have a very nice smile, it also makes people more confident and give positivity to others also. Like they can
Yeah.
interact with you nicely. So that's a good inside you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you are doing great.
Oh,
Keep on practicing daily, okay?
okay. Thank you so much.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.